Hello everyone. Today I'm back with a very power packed, easy dosa recipe which requires no soda, no fermentation, or no other preservatives. So it's very simple. Let's get started. I've taken half cup of moong dal or green gram and half cup of ragi, both in equal quantities. Wash these two ingredients thoroughly, at least for 3 to 4 times. Then I'll allow it to soak for minimum 6 hours. If you have time, you can soak it overnight, or else if you are running short of time, 4 hours also would do. I've soaked it for 6 hours, and after 6 hours, I'll throw the excess water and add moong dal and ragi to the mixer. To make this dosa super tasty, I'll add few other ingredients. Those are 3 tablespoons of grated coconut, around 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of water, and 1 red chili. If you like it more spicy, then you can add 2 red chilies. Now I'll be adding around half cup of water, not all at once, little by little as and when required, I would be adding it. Now grind it to a fine paste. This is the consistency required. When you move the spoon, the batter should get coated to the spoon. So that is how the consistency should look like. See, now this is perfect. I'll heat up the pan. Once it gets heated up, I'll wipe the pan with a wet tissue. You can use a wet cloth as well. I'll be doing this in order to avoid adding oil. Then add the dosa batter and cover it with the lid. Allow it to steam for around 10 to 15 seconds. Once it gets steamed, add some ghee. This is completely optional again. Only if you want, you can add it, or else you can skip this step. Once you add ghee, flip it and allow it to cook for a few seconds. And then turn. It's all ready. Now fold it and serve it. It's better to eat this dosa hot. It tastes super yum. Now I'll be preparing the second dosa the same way. But this time I'll not be wiping it with a wet tissue or a cloth. I'll be directly adding the dosa batter, allowing it to cook with the closed lid for around 10 to 15 seconds. Then add some ghee and flip it. Allowing it to cook for a few seconds and then fold it and serve it. This is a very high nutritious dosa which requires no yeast, no soda or no fermentation. Do try this recipe and let me know your review on the same. Thank you. Bye bye.